Hi everyone, it's me, Terry of the Yarn Joy podcast. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I wanted to review a product that was sent to me by newcraftday to review and show you. And I was real excited about it because I was thinking about what I was going to do this year for my Vlogmas or Advent season. And so, I think this is going to be a fun inclusion, to include in my videos for the month of December. And yeah, I love doing Advent calendars. They're just great. So this is indeed an Advent calendar. It's a little bit different because it doesn't have all the little doors, you know, where you open a little door for each one or for each day, you know, and it's like a surprise and you don't know what it's going to be. Well, it's a little bit different. And it is a diamond painting project. So let me show you, okay? Okay, so here's how it came, okay? It came in a mailer. It's this flat thing, like a box. But when you open it, it's like it's a display, I guess you'd say. And so you open it up. Now it's all folded. I will fold it into a box type shape, okay? But before I do that, I will do the diamond painting project that's on the inside. Okay, so when you open it up, here is the picture that I will be putting the diamonds on. Isn't that pretty? And so it would be, it's like I said, it's like a display. And so all of this will be bent back. And I did start folding it a little bit to kind of give me the idea what it was going to look like. Let me do that. Okay, so it's going to fold into a rectangular shape. See that? And then this flap has these tabs, and the tabs fit into these little slots here. So it will all close up to store it, so then you can use it every year. And see, this folds down. That's like the flap of each side of the box, okay? Now, like I said, I'm going to keep it flat, so it'll be easier for me to do the diamond painting picture. Okay, so when you're using it, I don't have the glare on there, okay? Then this is the scene, and you open it up like this, so it lays like this, okay? And then what you put on this side is this board that came with it. And it's this wonderful little Christmas scene. Isn't that pretty? And it is actually a, I don't know if that's balsa or not. It does have some weight to it. But I want to lay that right here on top of this flap, see? And then it's got these little slots in here. Now this Advent calendar or whatever, this Advent it's designed for like the 12 days of Christmas. It's not like the whole month of December. But the idea that I have is I'll use the 12 days of Christmas to do part of it, or 12 days. I have to look that up. Is it the 12 days like I think that means it starts December 12th, right? And then until up to Christmas, 12 days. Isn't that right? Okay, well, what I will do is since I want it to last the whole month, I was thinking the first 12 days, I would divide this up and do this part, okay? But anyway, however you want to do it. But it has this board that sits there, and it's got the slots in it, see? Okay, now, this is what goes in the slots. So they have these 12 ornaments, and I think they're really pretty, and they are wood also, so that's really nice and sturdy. So like here's one. It's the red truck with the Christmas tree in the back. I love these little images because to me it's just very vintage Christmas pictures, and if you are one that liked the vintage Christmas, I think you would enjoy these. So there was the second one. Here's another one. Okay. And they all have, you can see the little circles on it. Here's a snowman. So they all have the diamond painting beads that I will be attaching to these as well. So they will be sparkly. Here's a sleigh. Isn't that pretty? And now, right now it's covered with a plastic that I will peel off when I stick the beads on there. There's Santa in a little, what is that? That's a fire truck. Okay. And then, oh, this one, look at this one. That is a little, what do they call those cows? The Westland, you know what I'm talking about. Those cute little cows with the, that are fuzzy. Okay, and let's see. Here's a little, it's not Rudolph, but it's like a little baby reindeer with the Santa hat. Oh, they're so cute. Anyway, so there are 12 of them. Here's a present with a poinsettia on it. Here's another Christmas tree, right here. And let's see, got 2 more to show you. This one is another little Santa right there. And then this one, oh, it's like a Christmas carriage with a horse. I would say a 1-horse open sleigh, but it's not open. It's got a little, it's like a carriage, closed-in carriage. But they're so pretty. And so you're gonna, each day I will get one of those and then do the diamond, put the diamond painting gems or whatever on them. And then you will, there's a little notch right there and you stick them in the hole. Let me see if I can get one in there. There's plastic on top right now to protect it. So there. So see, so all 12 little ornaments or whatever you want to call them will stand up or will be fit into the 12 different slots. See? And then so you'll have this little scene with this pretty sparkly house in the background. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. So I'm gonna really enjoy doing this. And so I was thinking, well, how I like it to be a surprise where I don't know, you know, each day I'll open a package or whatever, and then that's going to be in the package, and so you don't know which one's going to do, which one I'm going to do next. I like to do it that way. So what I was thinking, since it doesn't have a door or whatever, like individual little compartments to take them out of, I was thinking that I would get one of my zipper bags that you can't see through. I was thinking I had a Christmas one, but I think maybe I do. But anyway, like a zipper pouch, and I will put all of these little items in that little zipper pouch. And so that way I will just put my hand in, draw one out each day. And so that way it'll be a surprise as to which one of these I will do for that day. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And so this will be the 12 days of Christmas. And then, like I said, the first 12 days of the month, I will work on this part. So I think it's going to be so much fun. And I'm going to add that to the other things that I'm going to be doing for Vlogmas. But anyway, this is a review video. So in the kit, you get the display, okay? And then, of course, you get all the little, I'm going to call them ornaments. I don't know. All these, 12 of them, and you will get the basic kit, okay, which has the drill pen that you use and the wax that you use to pick up the little beads with, and of course the little tray. And then here are the beads. There's 7 different colors. So here are the sparkly beads. I'll hold it on this side so you can see some of the colors. Got a lot of those, two little sections of those, but all the rest are different colors. So they are round drills. Yeah. So that's going to be so much fun. So anyway, that is the kit. Thank you so much, New Craft Day, for sending it to me so that I can review this product. And so if you're interested, I do have a discount code, YarnJoy10, and I'll put it down below in the description box. But it's YarnJoy10, and you'll get 10% off your order. And so I will link their website down below in the description box as well, and the link to this particular product as also. So check out the New Craft Day, their website. They have a lot of great products. They have cross-stitching kits, and they have diamond painting, and I believe they even have some paint by number type things. And so yeah, the great company, and I've really enjoyed working with them. Okay, I'm gonna go. So everybody have a wonderful evening, and come back tomorrow, and no, not tomorrow, but come back in a couple of days and we'll have another visit, okay? Thank you so much, New Craft Day. Bye.